Alright, so today Whitley wants to play with her Aquabeads. She got some Aquabeads for Christmas, and it's kind of hard to explain. See these little beads, there's all different colors, and you take them and you put them together and you spray them, and yeah, they can turn out, like Silas did this one. It's supposed to be a giraffe, but it's some kind of wild animal that he made. Yeah. So today she wants to make a mermaid, and normally the Aquabeads kit comes with little templates like this. We don't have a mermaid template, so we're going to make one. So I'm just going to take a piece of paper like this and use the little Aquabead board. See, it has all the little spots where you put the Aquabeads, and we're just going to make a mermaid. So I'll show you when we finish that what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the template that we made. It doesn't look like a whole lot right now. It'll look better once we get like actual colors on it, but I just used different colored gel pens to make the template. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I have taped the piece of paper that is our template on the back of the Aquabeads container, because if you use an actual template, then they slide into these little holders really well, but we don't have that. So this is what we're working with now, and these are all our gazillion Aquabeads. Okay, so we've got all our colors here that Whitley wants to use, and you go ahead and start it up, Whitley. Okay. Now Aquabeads normally comes with a little almost like tweezers that you can use, but someone put wet beads in our Aquabead tweezers, and so they got stuck in there. So if you have a pair of regular tweezers, that makes it a lot easier too, but those are in the bedroom and Daddy is sleeping, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. So I would start at the top.
Where are the eyes? Where are the
I would start at the top. Her eyes are on the template, they're pink, but you're just gonna do them.
I'm just gonna do this black.
So yes, start. This is the finished product. It turned out pretty well. Now Whitley's gonna spray her, and once we get her all wet, we'll have to leave her to dry. We usually give it a day to make sure that it's good and dry, because if you peel it up too quickly before it's dry, it'll be sticky and it'll break.
Yeah, I made this little like fox from one of my friends, and I picked it up too early, and it fell all to pieces, and I had to clean it up.
That's why.
See, like I just did.
See, that's how you break stuff.
It's hard. So
Want me to try? Spray her good. Alright, that should be good. So we will leave her to dry, and then we will come back and show you once we're able to pick her up and everything.
And here's Silas, the gunman.
There's Silas the gunman.
And this is how I exercise. This is how I exercise. I got my squishy, and this is how I exercise. I squish it. That's how I exercise.
All right. Pick her up. Pick her up and show her to us.
She's beautiful.
pretty, isn't she? Oh, there's the back of her. So let me see. Very cool. Be careful, she might break. Turn around.
That size broken.
No, it's not a sin breaker. She's perfect.
Wait, toward the middle.
Okay. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this episode of Everyday Adventures, what should they do?
Fish, give us a big thumbs up and ring the bell below. We also made another mermaid.
Yeah, while you're waiting for her to dry, we made another one. And this one, let's see, turn her around. Let us see her. That's her back, right?
Yeah.
Yep, so let us see the front again, I'm sorry.
Her name is Flipping, and this one is Blipping.
Alright, put them back on here so we can...
Flop, flop, flop their tails. They look very light, just so you know.
Yeah, but this one has like a side braid.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Which one's your favorite?
That.
Very cool. Alrighty. So yes, please subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and let us know in the comments what your favorite of the two is.
Yes.
And remember to make every day an adventure.
Yeah.